What up, y'all? It's your homeboy Justin. Welcome back to another video. That was a different intro. I'm a little bit surprised. I wasn't thinking. Anyway, I was not going to put out a video today, but this is what happens when I get inspired by awesomeness and black girl magic and black boy joy and black excellence and melanin popping all over the damn movie screen this coming Friday with Black Panther. So I was just toying around with the hair because y'all seen the trailers and you've seen the previews and all that stuff, right? And so this is not about T'Challa, who is the main character played by Chadwick Boseman, but this is about Shuri, who is T'Challa's younger sister in the movie Black Panther, played by Letitia Wright. She's got some bomb ass hair, okay? She's got these braids, and so I decided that I wanted to do a little bit of an homage. Letitia Wright, if you see this, shout out to you. Shout out for this amazing role in this movie. Cannot wait to see it this weekend. And just shout out to everybody, really, to Chadwick, to Michael B. Jordan, to Lupita Nyong'o, to Angela Bassett, to Forrest Whitaker, to, oh my gosh, the dude from Get Out, I can't remember his name, to the whole cast, okay, of this movie, y'all. Ooh, I just can't wait. Can't wait to see it. This came about because I was looking at her hair. I originally wanted to do a different homage to different characters of Black Panther throughout the week and just do like Instagram posts and like style my hair as, you know, to kind of pay tribute to the movie and the director and, you know, the whole cast and all that stuff. And so I was just gonna style my hair like Shuri and just wear that tomorrow, right? But I started playing with some makeup, as you can see on my face. And I was like, you know what? I don't wanna just take a picture. I'm gonna just show y'all how I did this hairstyle at least. I probably won't do videos for everything else in the week, but I'm saying that now, I don't know. The creativity may spark, we may have more this week. I'm not sure. I might just do more throughout the month of February. It is Black History Month, so word up to that. But I decided that I'm gonna film how to get this cool look. It's like half up, half down, obviously. We got a braided ponytail right here with some gold wire. We got some gold cuffs, some wire, and this braid up here. You do not have to go all out unless you want to and do the full makeup and everything. As you can see, let me go a little closer. These are the vibes we got going on today. Very Wakanda, okay, very Wakanda. So, I guess without further ado, we're just gonna jump into the tutorial. I'm gonna show you how to get this look, and I hope you guys like it, all right? But before we continue, watch last week's video if you haven't, subscribe if you wanna do that now, and let's jump on into this Black Panther inspired look. Let me start this over. So the first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna section your hair off. I went probably at where my ear level is at and take the back part to use for this ponytail. And this is just the braid. So, you know, all the locks that you have at the bottom. Likewise, with the same part at the top, you take it all, put it in a ponytail on the top, and then I've got two jumbo braids, right? On each side, we've got braids of 6 locks. So there's 3 on this side, 3 on this side. I also braided in a wire onto this one. So if you want to do that, you can. The top 2 is just braids of the leftover locks. So they're 2 chunky braids of the leftover locks. Now, what you're going to do with those locks that are on top of your head, as I drop it down low, is you're going to put first this lock like so. So you're making a giant band or a giant bun. Use some straight pins or curly pins. The spiral ones actually work really well. And pin your hair to your scalp if you can. Come on, Jesus, come on. Help me, Jesus, help me. There we go. And then you take the other one, put it on top, and then pin this one down so that way it ain't going no damn where, okay? Use as many pins as you need. You kind of want this hairstyle to look good from all angles. I mean, the front specifically, of course, but if it can look good from all the angles, then why not, right? So you'll do that. The next thing, you're gonna take these braids and just fold them across. So you take this one, pull it over, and then use a little bobby pin to curl that down like so, like that. And then you're gonna take these other ones and you're just gonna go across. So I'll take this one and then this one. Just pull it tight enough so you hold down the end of the braid. You just keep doing that all the way through. These last 3, I think I'll actually secure the locks or the braids together. And then you take this one like so. And then you take this last one, or actually we put this one down too. And then you take the last one and wrap it around the front of your head. Take that last bobby pin. Yeah. And there it is. That's it. So it's braids and then it's put up into a bun. And that's all you have to do. So that's the first step. So if you don't know how to braid hair, we got bigger issues than that, okay? But on to the next step, all right. After you get the whole hairstyle done, the next thing I wanna do is I wanna put a little bit of a, remember this gold coil that I used in the Chloe and Halle inspired video? We're gonna take more of this coil and we're gonna use it around our hair. Now all this is just some, it's like beading wire. You can pick this up at any local craft store. I just put a little hook on it. Wait, let me show you real quick. Oh, come on. So what I do is I put a hook on the wire like this. So I take a wire like this, and then I hook it behind the braid so that no one will see it, so it holds it like this. And then you just take it and wrap it around. On the picture of Shuri, she has it on the bottom, and it's actually purple. I don't have purple thread, and for me, the gold is just kind of what I got. So this is what it's gonna be. Because remember, y'all, it's inspired by. It's not a direct copy. It's not a duplicate. It's not a, it's not a control C and then control P, okay? It's not a copy and paste. Make it your own. Do what you want to do with it. So you do that. And then just make another hook on the other side of it and just kind of stitch it into the hair like so. And then there you go. Pretty simple. All right, on to the next thing. On to the next one, on to the next. Okay, so after you putting the wire on your ponytail, what I did just to add a little bit of extra oomph was to put some of these little metal cuffs on my hair. So just put them wherever you want them to go. This is inspired. This is, again, inspiration. It's not direct copy. You want to take your version of Wakanda and make it your own, okay? It's yours. Again, this is for us, y'all. Like, do it, make it, do it, make it, do it how you want it to do it, okay? So you're doing it and doing it and doing it well, doing it and doing it and doing it well, doing it and doing it and doing it well. I represent Queen, she was raised down in Brooklyn. Like that. Or you represent, I don't know where else, but you raised down in Wakanda, that type of thing, But yeah, just put them wherever you want. Put them on your hair, and then you'll be done, and that's it. Okay. Oh my gosh, y'all, so this is the final look. I'm in love with this. I am so happy. And I think we should just cue a little montage to take in all of the Wakandan glory we got in the room, in my bathroom right now. It's a small room, but it is filled with like excellence, okay? So. First and foremost, shout out to the cast and director and crew of this movie. I'm just saying, y'all did that. I haven't even seen it yet, but y'all did that. From the trailer and the promos and the previews alone, y'all did that. From the images and the magazine spreads and the posters and the billboards, y'all did that. Like, I'm already floored and I'm so excited, especially with it being Black History Month. Like, if this is not the biggest, like, F you to anyone who has to say anything about Black people not being beautiful, Black people not being able to be superheroes, Black people not being able to, do movies like this, child, you missing, you sleeping on us for real, like, low-key you sleeping on us. Okay. I'm trying to give Shuri some shine. That's all I'm saying. Plus, I can't do much with, with T'Challa's character because he ain't got no hair. He got hair, but he ain't got my kind of hair, so I figure I will do the character that I best emulate physically, and it just happened to be Shuri. So you can fight me about that if you mad, but you could little keyboard warriors, you could do what you want to do, but that's okay. I look good anyway. I like this. I might do more, not videos, but I might try and do some more Black Panther looks as the week goes on. Kind of like a week of Panther, a week of Black Panther. We may see. I might do a different hairstyle every day to see what's gonna happen, but we're definitely wearing this to school tomorrow. I don't know what the people gonna say. Not the makeup, maybe. But we're gonna wear this tomorrow to see what's gonna happen. I'm excited for the looks. I'm excited for responses. They may not be compliments, but it's definitely gonna get a response. And I think that's gonna be kind of fun. All right, well, I'm gonna let the video be done because I'm done chatting. So if you like this, give it a thumbs up. If you're excited to see Black Panther movie, what you gonna wear? Because I'm gonna have my blue tunic on from that. Do y'all remember the video I did of the Afro-punk man bun with that blue tunic in the picture? Or you saw it on Instagram a while back when I played the African Union? I'm gonna wear that tunic. I might wear the matching pants. I might do the whole set. You know, blue all over with the hairstyle of some fashion. I'm not sure what, but it's gonna be lit. Like y'all, I can't wait. Like I'm gonna be stomping. I'm gonna bring a djembe and a doumbek in there. Like as I'm standing in line, just like I don't even know, too much. No, just enough actually. It's gonna be just enough. But what y'all wearing? Is you going to the premiere? Where you going? You going with your friends, your family? Who you going with? Like who you go? Like what you going? Like you going to dinner afterwards? Like what is you wearing? Let me know in the comment section. Or if you have any questions about this tutorial, you can ask me there too. But I want to know what y'all doing this weekend, okay? Because it's about to be an event, a family reunion. Hey, what's up, sis? How you doing? Hey, bro, what's up? It's gonna be magical, black magical. I can't wait. I'm excited. Anyway, okay, so yeah, in the comment section below, let me know what you're doing this weekend. What else? Hit me up on other types of social media too if you want to keep track of my day-to-day. I be on Snapchat a little bit sometimes. I'll be on the Instagram almost daily. Hit me up there if you got any questions or you just want to chit chat, whatever. Okay, do that too. And subscribe. If you have not subscribed to the channel, what you doing with your life? Save your edges, save your hairlines, save your waves. It'll clear up your skin. It'll get your hair right. You'll have your rent paid on time. Food will be in your refrigerator and your pantry. All right, your lights will stay on. Your water will be running. Do it. Do yourself a favor. I don't understand why you ain't done it yet. And even hit the bell notification, okay? The little ding, ding, the ding, ding, ding. Well, let you know when I post a video, which may be every Monday, may not. I guess y'all got lucky this week because I just was inspired, but I'm trying to focus on some other stuff. But I guess I just like YouTube so much. So here we are. So subscribe and that's it. If you want to watch next week's video, you can do so right there. There's also a playlist of more Dreadlock style tutorials. Be inspired, do some stuff. Subscribe right here. And I will see y'all in Wakanda this weekend, okay? Go see Black Panther. I can't even talk right now, I'm so excited. All right, peace, keep it locked, and I will see y'all later. Bye.